Introducing the ATC-150F Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile desktop tester designed to meet the demands of modern assembly and manufacturing processes. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO offers a multitude of capabilities to ensure precise and reliable torque measurements. With 3 distinct measurement modes, the ATC-150F allows users to select the most appropriate option for their specific application. Whether you need to capture peak torque values, identify the first peak, or track ongoing torque measurements, this tester has you covered. The manual and auto-clear functions simplify the testing process, enabling users to easily reset the tester and start a new measurement. This feature enhances efficiency and streamlines your workflow. With multiple frequency response settings, the ATC-150F adapts to various testing requirements. Whether you're working with fast or slow-acting tools, this tester provides accurate and consistent measurements. The ATC-150F can be used for both clockwise and counterclockwise torque measurements, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Its high accuracy ensures reliable and repeatable results, giving you confidence in your measurements. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the ATC-150F Portable Torque Tester. Its compact design, versatile measurement modes, and high accuracy make it an indispensable tool for assembly and manufacturing professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precise and reliable torque measurements that drive your operations forward.